Man, what is up, everybody? What it do? So I know a couple of days ago, I told the guy who had this truck I wasn't crushing it. So now he told me, he was like, G, he's like, man, dump that shit out that truck and crush it for me, man. Dump it right there. Dump all that trash right there. This is the owner of this property here. He is the owner of this property. So he's like, dump it. I get these other guys to pick it up. I was like, okay. So he was like, tear it up, G. Oh, man. Gonna have a little fun here, y'all. Have a little fun. Man, y'all know what? Before I actually dump this thing, I'm gonna let y'all see all the stuff that's in it that's about to get dumped out. And stuff already falling out now. This thing is heavy, man. So it's kind of hard to see all up off in there, but look how tall that trash go on the inside. Man, let's see if we can, I don't know if we may be able to see it through this little small hole here. There you go. Look at that. All that trash up off in there, man. I mean, it's mainly rubber and stuff, which they really don't want. So I still got to dump it out. I mean, my crusher wouldn't even crush this damn thing all the way down at all. It just wouldn't. Old ass bread truck. Matter of fact, it's an old ass ice cream truck right here. Look at that. Man. Let's flip this baby over. Well, actually, let's don't flip it over. Let's tear it apart and dump it out. Let's go ahead and lift this baby, see what all comes all up out of it. Let's see what does. This damn thing is about ready to fall apart for real. I may have to rip the side off of it. That's what I may have to do. Yep, because ain't nothing fall out, y'all. Boy, it's getting mighty cold outside, y'all. It really is. Look at all that, man. You know I can crush all this stuff. Boy, this damn thing is full of all kind of stuff over here. Right there. I should better take that baby and dump it. Alright, y'all, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Like, flip it over, G. Flip it over. Wow, look at all that stuff, y'all. Man. I got this baby up in the air about 1 damn 40. Damn. Look at all that stuff, man. And he came back on his own side. Golly, man. Don't do what they gonna be mad. They ain't gonna be mad at me. They gonna be mad. Why is all this shit over here? Well, talk to the owner. The owner is the one who told me to do it, so I'm doing what the owner say do. That's why I love my job, y'all. This is why I love my job. Right here, this is why I love it. Alright, now, let me go take this baby up there and get it processed. Look at all that stuff that came out of it, man. Look, tires, buckets, paper. I mean, the mill will deduct, I mean, tons and tons of weight off your load because of this, man. We talking about like several $100 to like $1,000 off your check because of that, man. Don't nobody want to miss all that. Yeah, so this is some of it that I fold up the back. I didn't get a chance to because I was being distracted by one of my homeboys down here, and I was talking to him and doing this both at the same damn time, and he just distracted the hell out of me right now. God. Man. So hopefully today will be my last day. I may have to crush this separately. I think we'll take this off and just crush this separately. Fold that up myself. See, shoot, gave it to me. This is already turned up. Yo, this will be my second time crushing on these big bad babies right here. The only bad thing I hate about these right here is the simple fact is that there is so much metal that falls off, that breaks off when you do this. So I kind of hate it, man. This last time I did one over here, I got a big old piece of metal stuck off in my damn tire. Right after I finished crushing it. I hate about some of these sometimes. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put this old trashed out TCF with it. Just whatever little trash that falls out after I finish breaking off the side or something or whatever. After I finish breaking off the side. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and stick this baby up off in there right quick. Yeah, y'all, man, like I say, man, if I ever go quiet right there in the middle of me talking, man, I'm on something else. I'm on some more stuff. I'm all about trying to make another dollar, baby. That's what it's all about, trying to hit another dollar. No. Fix that real quick now. Yeah, man, sometimes these things they just make a mess and they crush very shitty. I mean, look at that. It crushes very shitty, man. Glad I ain't got to deal with these damn things all day long, man. I definitely would have had a blowout. That's for guaranteed sure right there. Guaranteed sure. Alright, y'all give me a second to make a few adjustments. Alright, let's put this old crap up off in there right quick. Just get it to stay and be alright. Alright, baby. Stay right there. Hope I can get all this stuff off in here. I don't have to be too much really worried about nothing. I can get it all up off in here. Man, I told that dude too I wasn't going to crush this damn thing. And I still ended up doing it, but it is what it is, man. What it is. So now I'm just lacking the last kizzer. That's it. You boys getting ready, man. They getting ready steady.